to break down the production process of the Toyota Land Cruiser 70, especially its meticulous inspection process that covers over 1,000 items. Frame and body assembly. The Land Cruiser 70 is built tough, starting with a rugged steel frame. Each component goes through precise robotic welding and bolting to ensure durability, a trademark of this model. From here, every detail of the frame is inspected for structural integrity before any other parts are added. This is where Toyota's legendary attention to detail kicks in. Each weld is checked, and every bolt is double-checked for exact fit, ensuring the entire base is rock solid. Engine and transmission installation. Next comes the powertrain. Engine, transmission, and drivetrain components are carefully installed. Mechanics and robots work together to align and fit these critical parts. The Land Cruiser 70 needs to be capable of serious off-road adventures, so the team checks every connection, including mounts, bolts, and seals, to withstand the toughest conditions. This includes inspecting torque, alignment, and engine calibration before final assembly. Suspension and chassis components. The Land Cruiser 70 is known for its resilience on rough terrain, and here's why. Toyota fits and tests each part of its robust suspension system. The suspension, along with the axles and wheels, goes through precise calibration to achieve optimal balance, stability, and off-road performance. Inspectors look at every point, springs, shock absorbers, linkages, to confirm everything can handle rugged environments. Interior installation and comfort checks. Toyota prioritizes comfort and durability, so the next step is fitting the interior. Seats, dashboard, steering column, and other interior parts are added, each inspected for quality, finish, and comfort. For example, seats are checked for secure fitting and cushioning, knobs and controls are inspected for tactile quality. And the dashboard undergoes tests to ensure it withstands heat and wear over time. This phase also covers many electrical tests to make sure all lights, screens, and switches are fully functional. The exterior, including doors, hood, windows, and other panels, is added with care to ensure each piece lines up perfectly. The paint job undergoes a multi-stage inspection to check for uniformity and resilience to corrosion. The entire body is examined for seamless fits and tight seals, which are crucial for keeping dust and water out during off-road trips. Electrical and safety systems. This is where Toyota's advanced technology comes in. The electrical systems and wiring undergo thorough testing, everything from headlights to GPS. The safety features are also tested here, including airbags, ABS, and traction control. Every wire, sensor, and connection is inspected to ensure reliable performance. 1,000-point inspection. Before the Land Cruiser 70 leaves the factory, it undergoes Toyota's famous 1,000-point inspection. This covers every system, from brakes and steering to powertrain and electronics. Each vehicle is put through dynamic tests, including simulations of real-world driving and off-road scenarios to confirm the vehicle's reliability. Specialists inspect the suspension under load, test brakes for precise stopping power, and even check the AC system for optimal performance in extreme climates. Before the vehicle reaches its new owner, Toyota performs a real-world road test. Drivers put it through acceleration, braking, and handling checks, both on and off paved roads. This is the final step to ensure the Land Cruiser 70 meets Toyota's high standards. With each step checked, tested, and certified, Toyota ensures every Land Cruiser 70 that rolls off the line is ready for anything, from deserts to mountains. This inspection process and attention to quality are why the Land Cruiser remains a global legend in reliability and off-road capability.